I just finished up a bowl of Seattle Pipe Club's Potlatch. And I thought I'd do a quick motorcycle related video. So the topic's going to be mainly motorcycle related. So have the bike behind me here. This is a bike that's going to be in the next couple of videos that are at the end of this introduction. It's a 1979 Honda Goldwing, also known as the GL1000. It's a water-cooled bike, shaft drive, 4 individual carbs. This one has a luggage rack that was optional back in the day. They came fully undressed back in 75 to 79. 3-piece luggage set. I just have the top piece now. It's a hard bag. Probably obvious, but it's kind of like a Samsonite bag. It's lockable and very indestructible. You can take off the framework that holds the luggage, which is kind of nice too. If you're not going to do any touring, you can just lighten the load, take the framework off. About 47 miles per gallon on this beast. Love it, nice and smooth. I could go on and on about this bike, but I'll keep it brief. Any questions on it, let me know. I'll post a link to a site that I learned a lot of maintenance tips, tricks on how to rehabilitate one of these bikes and get it running. So that's that. So the next video is me driving into the town of Edison, Washington, which is just south of the Chuckanut Drive, Coastal Drive, one of the most scenic drives in Washington. Didn't want to do the scenic drive, you know, but the town of Edison is really cool because it's got a nice saloon. It's a good starting point to a trip up the coast. You can look that up. It's worthwhile if you like to do scenic drives. The second part of the video I'll be up in Baker Ski Resort area. If you're a motorcycle rider, you know that's a beautiful road, a lot of twist. You're up above the tree line for the last 3 miles or so. So I filmed the last 2 miles, so it goes pretty quick, but it's about 5 minutes. Check that out. It's really got some good scenery in that. Hope you enjoy. Take care.